got some thunderstorms headed our way for the afternoon hours. In fact, an enhanced risk for severe weather in orange, which is essentially a level 3 out of 5 when it comes to that potential for severe weather. And that's been upgraded since this morning from a 2. So keep in mind that we have that threat for the afternoon hours, and there are a couple different things that we're watching out of these. The main threat will be the damaging wind gusts that we'll find within a couple of these cells that pass through, but we're also watching for the potential for large hail, flash flooding concerns, and even the slight tiny risk at a tornado or two to pop up. And we do have some potential for rotation or vertical rotation in the atmosphere, and that's why we do have that on our radar, so to speak, and we will be watching that very carefully throughout the rest of the evening, but no reason to panic just yet. I know that's a big word, but we'll be watching it for you guys. First, let's talk about the flooding. Lake Champlain is under a flood warning, basically until further notice, right near that flood mark at 100 feet, and we also have one in southern Franklin and northern Essex counties near Saranac Lake. That's for those small streams in that area, a lot of snow melt, and we have more rain on the way, so we'll be watching this as we do see more of those showers. Just a few of them, very light at the moment right now. Definitely some clouds around too, but hasn't been too big of an issue so far. It's just kind of muggy out there, and that humidity is building with moisture that's moving in from the south and east. And this is going to be one of the ingredients that we need for the potential for thunderstorms later this afternoon. As you get those numbers, those dew points, which is again the moisture in the atmosphere above 60 and higher, that's when, again, fuel is what we need for those thunderstorms, and that's what that is. Temperatures are also on the rise, still in the 50s and 60s in the Champlain Valley, but they're much warmer to the south, 74 in Bennington, 73 in Keene, and those temperatures will continue to climb thanks to a southerly and southwesterly wind. There's plenty of warm air over to the south and west of us. Again, that is warm and moist air that's going to be building in. Let's take a look at our storm tracker one more time. Spotty showers now. You're seeing a break in those clouds to the west, and that is, again, going to be one of those ingredients that we need for thunderstorms this afternoon. And already over parts of northern New York, if we look at our satellite, are seeing little broken spots. And sun, again, is going to help warm us up. It creates instability. Then this cold front behind all this moves through, and that acts as a trigger. So the ingredients are there. We're going to be just waiting on any of these to develop. And that's why we have our alert icons for the rest of the afternoon as we get a little bit closer to 70 later today. Also notice the wind is going to pick up. Now, once the sun sets, we'll start to see those thunderstorms move out, but I've kept our nuisance icon overnight, and that's because we'll see the wind stick around. And it's going to be strong. Wind advisory for northern New York and southern Vermont for the overnight hours through early tomorrow morning. Look at these potential wind gusts. The numbers are having a hard time here, but the reds that you see here could mean wind gusts above 50 miles per hour for the eastern slopes of the Adirondacks and Green Mountains. Very, very windy while you're sleeping tonight, and it does get better throughout your Saturday, so that's good news. It'll start to set up a really nice afternoon for Saturday. Here are a couple of these spotty showers, maybe around 2 and beyond, even some thunderstorms mixed in, but then things start to organize, especially as some of the sun starts to come out and again increases that instability. And then you find some more organized thunderstorms heading into dinner time and beyond. So again, the exact timing and location of these showers still a little up in the air depending on where that instability is. But we've got to keep in mind that these could develop very quickly and become strong very quickly later this evening as well. So be on a heads up. We'll be keeping you guys updated on air and online as needed later this evening. And again, damaging wind gusts, downpours, and things like that are our bigger concerns. Less humidity, 70, sunshine for Saturday. Sunday morning is dry with just a few showers in the afternoon, but after that, we're into a really nice stretch that's going to bring a warm up and more sunshine. Got a long afternoon ahead of us before that, though.
Batten down the hatches today, but tomorrow is going to be a good day.
I think so. Beautiful.